Look at him.
We milked one cow by hand. It was
Don't try again?
Oh, milk! Look at the milk! No. Oh, yeah! Ooh, look at that! Put the fingers in the milk and focus. We looked in the milk tank and we decided it was not good to smoke.
Holy cow. Nobody's falling in yet. That's good. Anybody have to go? Alright.
We saw some milking. We saw some cows getting out of the milk.
They know what to do. Oh, he's mad. I'm out of here. He's mad. Look at him.
Are you gonna bounce?
No, let's don't bounce. Not a good idea with that many.
We saw a cow named.
Oh, that's yucky, isn't it? Try to paint. I'll hold her. So everybody can paint her better. Alright, you stay there, Drew. Alright, there's paint. Who wants to hold her?
Petted a cow named. Waylon, come here! Can we ride her?
No.
Oh, she's too big to ride. I want to show you guys some things that make
Kids.
Did you kick him in the bottom?
Yep, I kicked him in the butt. No, I really just took him outside.
We have held newborn kids. It's like a guinea pig. It's my phone. It's like a guinea pig.
Hold still so I can get a picture.
He's crazy.
Okay. Whoa, Logan. Hold on.